guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you my new fidget. Okay, so I got this one. You can't see them, okay? You can't see them. Got this one. I got more. I just can't find them in this big fat blob of fidget. Come on, show up. Thank you. Come on, where's my other one? I found you. So these are the fidgets. Okay. So these are the fidgets that we got. I only got a couple. But there's more coming in because we ordered them. And so my first one is a air DNA ball. Yep. And I rate this. We're also going to be rating them. And I rate this, let's just go with a 7, okay? Let me see if I can get all the pinks together. Let's see. Alright, 10. Well, that was easy. Alright. Next one is a puppet. This is a really good puppet. I'm gonna get to the good side, okay? Okay, ready? I rate this an 8 because I really like puppets. And then this one. And I also have this. It's just textured. Got a piece of hair on it. It's not my hair because it's black. Then I got these, my I call them air blobs, but I mean they're basically air globbles because they are globbles, but they just don't have anything in them. I really like them because they stick together. My globbles that I have, they don't actually really stick together. You can make them stick together if you get them like wet, but these ones you don't have to get them wet. They're already like sticky like that. So that's what I like about these. Okay. Then my favorite are. One of these already popped. It was a pink one, but it's fine. Okay. My simple dimple. I have just a 2 simple dimple. I have a 2 simple dimple on my thing that I wear to school every day. I have this simple dimple, but I also have my fave. And it's amazing. I like to do this a lot. Oh wait, I forgot to rate on my other fidgets. Okay. So did I rate this one? If not, I rate it a 8 because I think it's better than the other one. But okay, then I rate these and so I love these because they're just so sticky and I love it. And then this one, and it's textured, so I like it a lot. I'll give it an 8. This, I give it a 10. But yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. So, yeah, bye. Yeah.